Ever wished your photos could just look sharper and cooler without messing around with complicated apps? That's what Nero AI does. I tried it on this old selfie that looked kinda blurry, and in like a minute it was sharper, brighter, and honestly looked way better. Chapter 1. What is Nero AI? First things first. What is Nero AI? It's an online suite of free and paid AI tools that help you edit, enhance, and elevate your images. All from your browser. No download. No complicated Photoshop learning curve. Just drag-drop magic. Image Upscaler, photo restoration, face enhancement, background remover, Cartoonizer, pixelate tool, and so many more. Chapter 2. Quick login plus free credits. Before you jump in and start fixing up your photos, you'll need an account. But don't worry, it's super quick. Just head over to ai.nero.com and create one. As soon as you sign up, Nero drops 10 free credits into your account so you can try out any tool right away. No strings attached. Want even more freebies? Sign up for Nero's newsletter and you'll score 20 extra credits for life. Chapter 3. Image Upscaler. Nero AI's Image Upscaler is like a magic microscope for your pictures. Enlarge and enhance in one click. Watch this. We take a dreamy, blurry portrait and let the AI sharpen every detail to a 4 times larger, crystal clear version. It's fast. Thanks to deep learning, Nero AI can upscale an image in about 12.9 seconds on average. Perfect for blowing up AI art, Instagram pics, or even that tiny dog photo so it's big enough for a poster. Chapter 4. Restore a vintage photo. Got ancient family photos or faded analog shots? Nero's Photo. Restoration erases cracks and adds color in minutes. Check out this vintage portrait. Scratched in sepia from a long time ago. AI swoops in and voila. Scratch marks vanish and colors pop back like magic. The result? A clean, colorized image that looks like it was shot yesterday. Real use case. Bring Grandpa's wedding photo back to life, or fix torn pictures from the 1920s. Just upload the old pic. Let the AI work its charm, and download your restored memory. Chapter 5. Image Denoiser. Low-light camera grain giving you nightmares? Nero's Image Denoiser turns up the clarity dial. It's free and removes pesky grain or artifacts from photos. Look at this squiggly butterfly shot, full of noise and blur, and watch it become smooth, sharp, and vibrant. Perfect for wildlife snaps or evening cityscapes that end up murky. Chapter 6. Face Enhancer. Nero AI even has a face enhancer restorer that specifically targets facial details. Think of it like a beauty filter on steroids. Blurry or low-res faces become crisp and clear. We're not showing celeb faces here, but trust us, it sharpens eyes, skin, everything. Use it on pet faces, avatars, or portrait shots to get that studio-quality look. Chapter 7. Background Remover. Want only the subject of your photo? Nero's Background Remover does it in one click. Upload, click, and poof. The background disappears. No green screen needed. You can add a new background color, wash, image, or leave it transparent. This is gold for product shots, ID photos, or creative memes. No stock photo skills needed. Chapter 8. Cartoonizer and Avatar Generator. Feeling whimsical? Nero AI. I can cartoonize your photo or even generate a custom avatar. The photo-to-cartoon tool instantly redraws your pic in a funky anime watercolor style. Imagine turning a selfie into a cute cartoon character or a video game-style portrait. Insta-viral potential. Meanwhile, the Avatar Generator, still free, crafts dozens of unique AI avatars from one photo or vibe. Use them for your gaming profile, LinkedIn headshot, or just to look cyber cool on socials. It's like having a digital cosplay closet. Chapter 9. Who is this for? Whether you're a content creator, e-com seller, real estate marketer, student designer, or just someone who's got memes to upscale, Nero AI is your power tool. Instagram bloggers, real estate sellers, art lovers, presentation pros, batch processing, and statistics. Why do one photo at a time? Batch processing is a game changer. On the free plan, you can queue up to 5 images together. Great for hit-and-run fixes. Go pro and you get 20 images in one batch. Imagine cleaning up a photo shoot in one go. Pricing plans. Free plan, $0 per month. 10 credits to start. Basic tools, batch of 5 images. Monthly Pro Pass, approximately $19.95 per month. Often on sale from $29.95. 300 credits per month, up to 20 image batches, priority processing. The pricing is credit-based, so it's pay for what you use. Want to give it a spin? Click the link below to try Nero AI for free. Test out every tool and let me know which one blew your mind.